to auto switch to a better Wi-Fi network than the current network in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe on the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap connection and then tap Wi-Fi. Next, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right and then select intelligent Wi-Fi. Now tap the gray on off switch next to switch to better Wi-Fi networks until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When this option is on and there are multiple Wi-Fi networks, your phone will automatically switch to a Wi-Fi network that is faster and more stable than your current network. However, to prevent interrupting your activity, the switching process will only happen when the screen is off. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.